Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Knottie Macrame channel. Today I will show you how to make a macrame pot for your plants. In this project, we need scissors, measuring tape, and 3mm cotton cord. For the cord, we cut as the following here. Okay, let's start knotting. First, we take the anchor cord, which is 1.2 meter or 1.3 yard, and mount the two ends of it to the rack. You can mount it with the single knot or double knot, or you can use any knot that you find easy to remove later. And then we take 24 cords, each 1.5 meter or 1.6 yard, and mount them to this anchor cord with lock head knots. After that, we push two ends of the anchor cord together to start knotting the body part of the bot. We start knotting the body part by making the first square knot with the top four cords. Continue the second row with the two alternating square knots underneath the first one. For the third row, we tie three alternating square knots underneath. Keep tying rows of alternating square knots with all the cords. Remember, there should be an increase of one knot in each row. When you finish all the rows, tie 3 more extra rows of alternating square knots underneath to create the bottom of the bot. Now, take one wrapping cord, which is 80 cm or 0.9 yard, and use it to make a gathering knot with all the cords at the bottom. Pull all the cords to bring the gathering knot up close to all the alternating square knots. Then we use another wrapping cord to make another gathering knot with the anchor cord on the top. And then we push the gathering knot down close to the first square knot. And at the bottom, we will tie barrel knots with a few random cords. To make this knot, take one cord and create a loop with it. Then you take the end of this cord to wrap around the left side of the loop 3 or 4 times. Finish by pulling the two ends to tighten the knot. Keep tying barrel knots with random cords in random position to make the design look naturally. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoy making this. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.